Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add checkbox in Microsoft Word. Now for us to get this done, I'm just going to go ahead and basically head over to File, Options, and from here we're going to use Customize Ribbon. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and basically just scroll down and look for the developer. As you can see, this is disabled by default. You can check this, hit OK, and now you have it here. So you can click that one, head over to the part where you want to add a checkbox, and then you're going to go ahead and click this one. So there you go. As you can see, I can just simply do that and it is going to be added. Now if you want to check this one, just go ahead and click that, and there you go. Now if, say for example, you want to customize how this is going to look, that is definitely possible. What you're going to do is head over to this one, properties, and then we're going to go ahead and click the check symbol right here. There are different options. For example, this one, hit OK, hit OK. So yeah, that is the easiest way in order for us to add checkbox in Microsoft Word.